Hi kids, let's learn some colors. Orange color, yellow color, pink color, sky blue color, green color, brown color, blue color, violet color, red color, pink color, green color, black color. Let's draw small alphabets A to Z. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for egg. G for goat. H for hat. I for ink. J for jar. K for kite. L for lion. M for mango. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sunflower. T for table. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watermelon. X for X-ray. Y for yellow paint. Z for zebra. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Okay, bye kids.